Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Sycon STC-2002 addresses the needs of thin film deposition within the vacuum coating industry. The main function of the STC-2002 is to provide the means for a controlled and repeatable process, which is the deposition of material on a target surface. This STC-2002 arrived at ERD with a tricky power supply and several isolating devices that had failed. After the full rebuild of both the power supplies and the individual interface cards, the system was back up and running as intended. ERD performs many repairs on a wide variety of semiconductor equipment. Whether the equipment comes out of a CMP process, PVD process, or any other semiconductor processes, at ERD we continue to develop rebuild procedures that allow for proper testing of this equipment. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.